Hello, you guys, and welcome. If it's your first freaking time here, I'm Katy. I am the head of education for Lightheart, and I like to goof off a little bit on YouTube by showing you how to do certain things and stuff. So if you want to know how to do things and stuff, you're in the right place, especially if you're a lash artist. So today, returning with us is my cutie pop Emma. I was searching on the interwebs for a short set, and I mean a super shorty set, like 5s through 10s perhaps. And I was like, oh, short, very shorty cutie angel set. Couldn't find one. So I thought to myself, maybe I'll just do it myself. So I'm going to. I have our little tray ready. Let me show you. I've got 10, 7, 8, 9, and 5, 6, 7, some different curls because I want to give a little texture to this set as well. And I have already mapped out Emma for us. We're doing a open eye angel set. So I have our longest links in the middle of her iris. I have already marked her irises. So when you're mapping your client, that's where these little black dots are. When you're mapping your client, this is gonna be the foundation of your map. So you want to locate where their iris is when their eyes are open and looking forward. Have them look at an object in the room that's not gonna make them look off to the side, that's directly in the middle. And then you're gonna make 2 dots marking where their iris is, so that way we can use that to direct us where we're mapping. I am priming her. I like to prime top and bottom because I never know where I'm going to attach the extension. If you are one of the girlies that struggles with shorter links, this tutorial is for you. I am going to use, again, 5 through 10s. A common issue that I've experienced that lash artists come across is isolating with really short lengths. So I'm gonna show you my little tips and tricks that make this way easier for you. So Emma has the tiniest bit of hooded lids, so I am just going to use my little foam tape here to help lift her lid so that I can see her lashes a bit easier. This is very comfortable for the client. So I'm gonna do her outer lip over here. Today I am using our Everything lashes. What's cool about these is we do sell the shorties by themselves, 5 through 9s of a mixed tray. So we have them in every curl. So I'll be using black shorties today. So I like to skip back and forth on the eyes. When I'm doing angel sets. Honestly, when I do mega volume sets, I do one eye at a time. I don't know what it is, but I can't help it. So I am also going to skim the top of my lashes that I have on the tray with a little bit of primer to help spike these little babies up. So I take them and I just take my little micro swab, and I like to do that. See how it's like spiked them up nicely? Makes it way easier for me to pull them off the lash tray. So that's what I will be doing for all of the lashes on this tray. And if you feel that the lashes have clumped too chunky, you can just run a spoolie through them on the tray and it makes them like skinnier to use. So, okay, very good. I like to do our top layer lashes first. Your top layer lash is going to be the longer length on your map. Also on the upper curl, I use a curlier lash So I'm using a base today of C curl. I'll mark that so you guys can screenshot it if you need it. Down here will be C, and up here will be CC curl. I am using little D curl on just the 10 today because I was feeling crazy. So we're doing C here, CC here, and then D. I will begin by placing these little guys on the top layer. If you have trouble identifying where your top layer lashes are, that is going to be the lashes that sit closest to you on your client's lash line. Angel sets were designed to be user-friendly, so you do not have to be an advanced lash artist to do an angel set. I would actually prefer to teach angel sets versus classic sets. Angel sets also deliver better retention because you're able to wrap those individual spikes that you are placing on your client. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lash majority of the client. I'll sneak back in, goodness, here and there to show you what I'm doing. Welcome back, my little cuties. I have been lashing away. I know I said, oh, flip back and forth, blah, blah, blah. That was the old me. I've actually gone back to doing what I knew I was gonna do, was one eye at a time. So I'm going to show you how I isolate inner corners the easiest way, and it's always with my little foam tape here, my little white flag. If you do not use foam tape, I recommend getting some. You can buy some on Amazon. The 3M foam tape, and you can cut it to however you need. I like to cut little strips for when I'm going to tape the inner corners or when I am manipulating the eyelid, but I will show you now. Okay, so here I have just placed this piece of foam tape to manipulate Emma's eyelid so that I can see her lashes better. But what I'm going to do with this piece of foam tape is I'm going to place it on the inner corner like so, and I'm going to gently pull her eyelid to the side so that I'm freeing up these inner corner lashes, and then gently place down. You can also adjust this piece of foam tape while the eyes are shut. So I'm going to pick up the inner corner, bring that guy down a little bit. Beautiful. So this technique allows me to access these inner corner lashes much easier, and they have isolated themselves pretty much with just me manipulating her eyelid the way that I did. I also isolate using one hand. I will just use the tweezers to pull over the lashes until one singular lash is isolated. I also like to use my pinky finger to help isolate as well. Also remember to maneuver the extension on the eyelash, the natural lash, however you need to where it's pointing straight up and down and isn't at an angle. That's how you get very clean looking sets, is by making sure that these extensions are at a 90-degree angle from where you've laid them. Welcome back, my sweetie cuties. I'm so done. I'm so done with this set. So I'm going to bond Emma, and I'm going to show you the final results. Okay, I'm going to apply a generous amount of bonder to my micro swab, and I'm just going to dab bottoms of the lash here, both eyes. I like to swipe up the bonder too, because it kind of snatches the end of the lashes, of the spikes at least. Okay. Going to check for any stickies. Hey you guys, what the damn heck is up? I'm done. I'm finally finished with the tiniest, cutest little angel set I've ever done in my life. Was it gonna be challenging? I didn't know. It came with its challenges, but I did include those easy tips and tricks to help you help your lash life out. But here's the final product, guys. I love it so much. Emma's so cute. I could put a trash bag on Emma and she'd still look great. Please. I could pluck peacock feathers and put them on Emma and they would look amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys come back for more. There's gonna be more next week. You just hang on to your lashing stool. Okay, I love you guys so much.